All right, one of the things we're most famous for is our saver applicators, and today I'm gonna cut it open and I'm gonna show you a comparison with a competing product. All right, so I'm gonna cut open our saver applicator, and if you were seeing us at SEMA, we had some of these cut open. We cut open a lot of our products so that you can see the inside. So what we have here is our saver applicator has a nice foam block on the inside. Now I'm using my personal favorite, which is the large one. That's just my personal favorite. And then I'm gonna show you the difference here. So we can pull this foam block out and you can see here is the inside of our saver applicator, and here is the inside of one that I purchased on Amazon specifically to show you guys the difference. And you see this is a real solid barrier, and what that's going to do is that's going to keep your product on the surface and keep it from sinking in. So it's going to save you money when you're doing ceramic coatings. It's going to get less on your hand because it's not going to soak through. So if we're pouring on one side and we're applying with one side, it's not going to get soaked through the other side. Which is great. So again, we're saving product, and it's going to make the product last longer. So all of these things add up to, you know, a really good applicator that's going to save you money in the long run. And I'm going to show you how much better our product is when it comes time to show how product either soaks through or doesn't. All right, so I'm going to flip this terry cloth applicator inside out, and it had foam in it as well, which I removed. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to pour some water into it. See that? So obviously, you know, when we're talking about ceramic coating, we're not using that much ceramic coating, but it goes right through. It really has no barrier whatsoever, and it's just wasting product and it's just soaking through, so we don't want that one. All right, so I cut this one up similarly to the other one. And you can see it's going to start actually coming out like a cup more than it's going to be soaking through. So you see how much water this is just holding in there, and it's not even wet. You can see it's not wet here on the bottom, so it's not coming through at all. And that's with that much water, so we're not going to put that much ceramic coating on this. All right, the next thing we're going to do is I got some ceramic coating in this bottle here, and I'm going to put I got these to kind of match. They're about the closest size, and I'm going to put the same amount of ceramic coating on each, and then we're going to see which one lasts further in terms of product getting wasted or not. So I'm going to do my best to get the same exact amount. Okay, so I counted about 25 drops. About 25 drops, so pretty close. And so we're going to go, so it's starting to fade out. So you can see if you're using anywhere from the mini saver applicator to the large thick saver applicator, how the product is going to stretch longer for you, and it's going to be a superior product that's going to save you money in the long run.